another thing I'm going to address whilst I'm here is the fault code. The first one is one I've created, manifold absolute pressure. And there's the other one that was here. That was the one that I'm looking at. The reason that I've created that is because I've unplugged it. And they're both coming from the same sensor. See that wire there? White and black? That's the one that I need for the air temperature, and that's the one that had the circuit fault. So if I plug that in, I'll take that off there, that out of there, plug it in, and we'll see what it says on the live data. I might have to recycle the ignition. Read the data stream, and we're only interested in the air pressure. Yeah, I'm going to have to cycle the ignition again.
Do you want to listen to our music? No, you're alright. Kim,
I didn't want it to start. There. Right. So let's see what goes on here. Live data. We're going to look at the air. Intake air. So it's a high temperature, so it's not that temperature. The car's cold. And that's where it's getting it from. There's also other temperature sensors. There's one in the mass airflow back there. And there's one in the grill. And it seems to use them all to get some sort of reading. But this one, when I unplug it, that's clearly faulty because it's not that warm. And when I unplug that, right now I've unplugged it, I've got to put the ignition back on. Just lift the key, put the key back in so it doesn't start. Then we're going to look at that again. -40, so I know I'm on the right one. Now what I'm going to do is back probe it. I'll just set this up and show you. So now I've changed it by putting this in. 3 kilo ohm going through here. The green lead's going through there. And that's the signal for the air temperature. And the black lead from here is going to the battery for a ground. I can check it's got a good ground on here by going into the actual sensor. I'll do that as well. So now I've put another connector in to use the car's own ground wire. And it's still okay here. I've gone in the other side so I'm not double T-pinning or double back probing in case I short them out. So if I disconnect that one, it changes. I've just took the ground away, but that just proves that the car's own wiring's okay because I was using the battery ground. So it's worth checking the car's ground at the same time. But yeah, this is faulty. Last time we had a fault code for that, but when I tested it, everything was working okay. So this time it is actually playing out, which makes it easier to diagnose.